Now we're going to talk about the last step, and this step is very important too. You want to irrigate with an antiseptic. So the reason behind that is once you've stirred all that bacteria up, you can flush it away. And we like using different oral irrigators like the HydroFloss, Water Pick, also the Sonic Fusion, which actually has a toothbrush and a water pick built into one. But if you don't have those, you can just rinse with different antiseptics, and that does okay, but these are definitely preferred. So how you end up and use these is you take the tip, make sure it's filled with water, or ideally a mixture of hydrogen peroxide, 1/3 hydrogen peroxide, 2/3 water, so that way you can get some antiseptic in there, so that way it flushes out the bacteria and as well as killing them. So what we end up and do with this oral irrigator tip is we go down around the gum margin, and that way it flushes all that bacteria out from underneath those gums and kills it. So that way you can get much, much healthier gums and you can keep your smile for a lifetime.